Lizzie, I saw your latest post on Instagram. What was that weird dance you were doing?
Weird dance? That was the new viral challenge. Everyone's doing it.
Well, everyone looks ridiculous then, especially you.
Oh, please. Like your artsy photos are any better. What's with all the close-ups of your coffee?
It is called capturing the essence of the moment. Something you wouldn't understand.
Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create amazing animated videos using the Plotagon Animation Maker app on your Android device. Plotagon Story empowers you to bring your ideas to life. This detailed tutorial will guide you through every step. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Download and open the Plotagon Story app. Search Plotagon Story in the Play Store to download the app. You will find the app at the beginning of the search results and hit the Install button. The Play Store rating is 4.2 out of 5, and it has been downloaded around 5 million times. Once it's installed, open the app to begin. Step 2. Create a new project. On the home screen, you have options to create a new project, access saved projects, and explore the Plotagon community. Today, we're starting a new project, so tap on New Project. Step 3. Scenes Background Selection. After opening a new project, you should select your scene's background. Tap on the top of the scene's customization option, and here you will get various types of free scene backgrounds, such as a green room, FX fire, street corner, elevator, living room, conference room, forest guide, bedroom, restaurant, computer, cafe, and many more. I think the free backgrounds are enough for your animated movie. But if you want to get some premium level backgrounds, you should purchase the subscription plan. Step 4. Character Creation. After selecting your desired background, you can customize your character. Now click on the actor option and you will find a collection of different types of characters like different aged male and female avatars, robots, ghost characters, and many more. If you don't like these types of characters, you can also create your desired character. So enter the character creation option. First, you will find some randomized male and female characters by clicking on the randomize button. Now let's create our characters. Plotagon offers a variety of customization options. You can change their hairstyle, outfits, and even add accessories. Let's go through these options in detail. At first, you can change the face shape. Here you can see a variety of face shapes, such as early-aged, middle-aged, and old-aged face shapes. Check them one by one and choose your desired shape. Then you can also change your skin color. After changing the face shape, you will find the hairstyle changing tools. Here you will get some attractive hairstyles. Now check them one by one and choose one of them. After that, you can also change the hair color, which will give a gorgeous look to your character. Then you can see a collection of mustaches. Choose one of them and go to the next option. Next, you will find some different types of contract lens colors, eyelashes, and eyebrow shapes. Check out one by one and find one that suits your character's personality. Here, you can also customize your lip color, which is mostly used for female characters. Don't forget to add accessories like glasses to add more personality. After that, let's pick an outfit. Tap on the clothes icon and scroll through the wardrobe to find the perfect look. First, you will find some different types of t-shirts, shirts, and some warm dresses. After selecting your desired shirt or t-shirt, you can also change the t-shirt color. Now find one that suits your character's personality. Next, you will choose the pants or trousers design and color. Besides these, you can also customize the shoes design and color and then set your character name. Once all is set, now tap on the Done button. Here, your character is ready to use in your animated videos. Step 5. Setting the scene. Alright, click on your customized character and it will automatically be saved on your current video. To place a character in the scene, tap on the position option. Here you will get some options depending on your scene's background. After that, if you want to add another actor to the scene, tap on the No Actor option. Then select your desired actor from the character list or create a new character by following the previous step. I selected a female character named Lizzie, but you can't find Lizzie in the scene because they are in the same position at this moment. So change the second actor's position and then you will find Lizzie. Now, if you want to add an establishing shot to your current video, tap on the video icon and enable the establishing shot. The field of view is the most important thing for a dynamic animation video. The next tool is the field of view customization. Here, you can easily customize your scene's field of view. You can also install some filters in your video, such as black and white, sepia, blur, bloom, 70s, and vignette. Then tap on this icon and you can customize the fade in and fade out style and duration of your scene. This feature plays a vital role in getting a premium look on your video. Now, if you want to get an intro, tap on the add text icon. First, you should write your intro text here and customize the text align, text color, and background color. Check out them one by one and choose one of them. You can customize the voice volume and pitch by clicking on the sound icon. At the end, tap on the three-dot option and touch on the arrow button. Then your text goes to the first step. Now check out the preview and jump into the next steps. Step 6. Adding dialogue. With our characters and scenes ready, let's add some dialogue. Tap on the text icon, then choose your desired actor. Type in what you want your character to say. To create a realistic video, select the actor's expression after inputting your script. Click on the neutral option. Here you will find a huge collection of expressions like angry, beating chest, dancing, crying, and many more. Select one of them that suits your character's script. If you don't have an idea for writing a script, you can easily get a beautiful and unique story through the ChatGPT OpenAI tool. Search ChatGPT in your Android or iOS browser and enter the OpenAI. Write your script title to the prompt box and hit the generate button, and then within a second you will get your desired script here. After that, hit the copy button and paste to the script box one by one. Now tap on the mic icon. Here you can record your own voice. Otherwise, you will get an AI-generated voice. If you want to customize the voice volume and pitch, tap on the sound menu and customize your aspect volume. Step 7. Adding sound effects. To make your animation more dynamic, add sound effects and background music. Tap on Sound Effect to select a sound effect and adjust its volume to fit the scene. You can also add background music by tapping on the music icon and selecting a track. Make sure the music complements the mood of your animation. After adding your full script by following the previous steps, it's time to preview your work. Tap on play to watch your creation come to life.
What are you doing on the computer again?
I will decide to change my current male character. Now, it's better than the previous character.
What are you doing on the computer again?
I am just checking some emails.
If everything looks good, tap Export to save your video. You can share it directly to social media or save it to your device. Now, let's check out our final video.
Couple sweet coral. What are you doing on the computer again?
I am just checking some emails. Why?
You've been on it for hours. We were supposed to go shopping together.
You? I have some work to finish. Can't it wait?
It always can't wait with you. You never have time for us.
That is not true. You know how busy work has been lately.
Busy? Or are you just avoiding spending time with me?
Alright friends, how was the video? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. To get daily updates on incredible mobile apps, hit the like button and subscribe now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.